Munofara ere, welcome back to Shona land, and in this video I'll be teaching you the special letter C from the Shona alphabet and how to combine it with the Shona vowels. Okay, so as a recap, the Shona alphabet consists of consonants and vowels, and the vowels are what determines how you pronounce all Shona words. There is no Shona word that exists without a vowel. That's how the Shona language is. And this is how you pronounce the Shona vowels. So I've got A, A, E, E, O, and U. Okay, so let me just explain a bit why I say the letter C is a special letter from the Shona alphabet. The letter C is the only letter in the Shona alphabet that cannot be directly combined with the Shona vowels. So in order to formulate a word with the letter C, you need to first add the letter H. That's the only way you can make Shona words from the letter C. So let me teach you how you pronounce it. So in order to, just to explain a bit more. So in order for you to make a word using the letter C, you must first add the letter H and then the Shona vowel. And this is how you pronounce this combination. So if we add the vowel A to CH, you pronounce it as cha, cha, cha. And if you add the vowel E to CH, it's che, che, che. And if you add the vowel E to CH, it's chi, chi, chi. And if you add the letter O to CH, it's cho, cho, cho. And if you add U to CH, it's chu, chu, chu. Okay, so it's cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Okay, so let me teach you some example words that we can make from this combination. So with cha, the Shona word is chata, chata. In English, it's wed, like when someone is having a wedding, so it's wed, chata. Che, chera, chera. In English, it's dig, when you're digging a hole or something. Chera. Chi, chingwa, chingwa. That's bread. Chingwa. Cho, choto, choto, choto. That's stove in Shona. Chu, churu, churu. That's an anthill in English. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching. Ndatenda.